Get up. We got plant chores to do. And I mean a lot of them. I got a couple tissue cultures. Rare plants. You like that? Y'all know how I feel about tissue cultures. It is the easiest way to get into rare plants. And I got a couple of them right here. This is a Monstera Thai Constellation Creme Brulee. Do I know what a Thai Constellation Creme Brulee is? Not the slightest clue, but we're gonna pot it up anyway. The stuff at the bottom is called agar, and it feeds the tissue culture all the nutrients that it needs. That's gotta go before we put it in the pot. Into a bowl, add a little bit of water and some hydrogen peroxide. Do I measure? No, because the ancestors tell me when to stop. Sometimes I just wanna drop it into the water and wash all of the agar off. This leaf right here is showing a little bit of rot. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off because I don't wanna chance anything. Disinfecting my shears with Sexy Plant Juice Spray. Thai Constellation Creme Brulee. Creme Brulee what? I'm gonna pop my tissue cultures into 2-inch pots or these clear little cups that I got from Amazon and poked a hole through the bottom with a soldering iron. This is why we reduce, reuse, recycle. I'm gonna pot these in some Grow Queen soil. This is a chunky mix. One. Look at the baby. The babies are potted up, and because they were at 100% humidity, I'm gonna put them in my greenhouse with a little humidity dome over them. Y'all remember the Obama plant that was once a little tiny baby? Well, she's grown now. She's got big shoes to fill, like a bigger pot. Her roots, yeah, they need some more space. And it's also time to propagate her. Now, I don't do too much. I'm literally gonna take her from her pot. Look at all those roots. And I'm potting her into a pot that is 2 inches bigger in diameter. Okay. Now it's time to propagate her. I'm gonna take this and split it into 3 because there's 3 different nodes on here. 1 and 2. Now before I put this into water, I'm gonna let these callus overnight. And then when I do put it in water, I'm gonna put a little bit of prop drops in the water so that we don't risk any rot around these parts. And now we just wait. Who's next? I got a couple plants to pot up. When I go to plant shows, I typically purchase plants that are in the plastic baggies and wrapped in moss because they travel way better than the plants that are in pots. All I do is take the moss off, rinse the roots really, really well, and then put them in a really chunky mix. And then for the brown roots, I do trim those off. And there she goes. On to the next. Anthurium. You pronounce it. Okay, hold on. Into her new home. We got rot. Healthy root, not healthy root. Right. Watch those have been all regular healthy roots. She's gonna go in a very, very small pot. I'm exhausted, yeah.